Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a whole bunch of texture and interest to the background of your cards by using a background stamp. We're going to use the Birch background stamp, we're going to use the Daisy Lane stamp set and medium daisy punch, and we're going to use the So Sentimental bundle and the Sprig punch. So the measurements that you'll need are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a piece of white cardstock, which is 4 by 5.25 inches, and then you'll need some scrap white and granny apple green. I'm going to start by punching these smaller daisies from the Daisy Lane stamp set in crumb cake ink on my white scrap paper. And I like to use 2 daisy stamps for each flower, so I'll stamp 4 in total, and then I'll punch them out with the medium daisy punch. I'm also going to punch out some sprigs from Granny Apple Green. Now I'm going to stamp the background with the Birch stamp and crumb cake ink. I like using my Stamparatus for background stamping because when I'm using such a large stamp, it helps me get even pressure on the whole image. This little shape using the Stitch So Sweetly dies, which is part of the So Sentimental bundle along with this fabulous So Sentimental stamp set. So I'm going to stamp this sentiment here on my little shape. Now I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. And in comparison, here's how the same card would look without a background stamp. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. During the COVID pandemic, I'm not offering in-person classes, but you can sign up for Creativity to Go, which means you'll get craft supplies and tutorials delivered right to your door. Check out all the details on my website. Once COVID is over, I will once again be hosting in-person classes. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess Code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'!